Calculate. Calculate. To find a number or answer by using math. I need to calculate how much money I have. Weigh. Weigh. To find out how heavy something is. Please weigh the apples before buying them. Fear. Fear. A feeling of being scared or afraid. She has a fear of spiders. Escape. Escape. To get away from a place or situation. The cat tried to escape from the house. Count. Count. To say numbers in order to find out how many there are. I can count to 10 very quickly. Brush. Brush. To clean or smooth something using a brush. I need to brush my hair before going out. Fight. Fight. To use physical force against someone or something. The two dogs started to fight over a toy. Sign. Sign. To write your name on a document or paper. Please sign your name at the bottom of the form. Clean. Clean. To remove dirt or mess from something. It's time to clean my room. Repair. Repair. To fix something that is broken or damaged. I need to repair my bicycle tire. To fly a kite. To fly a kite. To make a kite go up in the air using string. We went to the park to fly a kite on a windy day. To pick flowers. To pick flowers. To take flowers from a plant or garden. She loves to pick flowers in the spring. Feed. Feed. To give food to someone or something. I will feed the dog before we leave. Choose. Choose. To select or pick something from a group. You can choose your favorite ice cream flavor. Carry. Carry. To hold something and take it with you. I will carry the groceries into the house. Open. Open. To move something so that it is not closed. Please open the door for me. Dry. Dry. To remove moisture or make something not wet. I need to dry my hair after my shower. Prepare. Prepare. To get ready for something. I will prepare dinner for the guests tonight. Organize. Organize. To arrange or put things in order. I need to organize my desk before I can work. Compare. Compare. To look at the similarities and differences between things. Let's compare our results to see who did better. Encourage. Encourage. To give someone support or confidence. My teacher always encourages me to do my best. Explain. Explain. To make something clear or easy to understand. Can you explain how this works? Suggest. Suggest. To offer an idea or plan for consideration. I suggest we leave early to avoid traffic. Improve. Improve. To make something better or enhance it. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Discuss. Discuss. To talk about something with others. Let's discuss our plans for the weekend.